Hello, Casper from Nordcraft here. As you recall, we recently just made an update to our branding, actually a rebranding. We are no longer called Tuttle, we are called Nordcraft. So right here I am on nordcraft.com, and today I want to showcase how we did our press kit site, our press kit section of our website. Let me just see if I can find it. Yeah, there we go, press kit. And I'm going to show you how you can use Nordcraft to serve some downloadable elements to your clients, to your users. So for instance, when I click this download press kit, I am actually downloading something from the Nordcraft project, and then a user can download that one, that component, that file to his or her very own computer. And one more example, I want to showcase this sort of, it's called copy to clipboard component. So right here on our press kit page, I can click the copy hex color for Fjord blue color by clicking this button, and I should see that the hex color is, it's inserted into my clipboard. So I'm going to showcase you how to actually serve something for users to download, files, images, whatever, PDF files, and actually sort of use this neat function called copy to clipboard, so you can serve different sort of text elements for users to copy. That might also be sort of JSON component, it might be entire Nordcraft components and so on. Let's have a look. So right now I'm in the Nordcraft project for website, the Nordcraft website, and I can just test out this feature right here. So when I click the SVG download icon, I'm actually presented with this native download dialog on my machine. So let's see how that is done. Let's take the first sort of element, one called logo, Nordcraft logo. I have an image right here, and the image URL is found in this section called attribute. So you just look at this entire string. You can copy this. This is the URL you get when you upload an image to Nordcraft. So let me just show you how I'm actually uploading an image. Pressing I for insert, searching for image, and I get an image right here. And as I click the upload button right here, let's insert something silly. This nice image, So as I'm uploading the image to Nordcraft, I will see this URL right here, and that's the URL I need to copy when I am presenting an image or a file for my user to download. I'll just copy it here and actually just delete the image again because I don't need it. And let's pretend this is the download button for this particular image. I will go up here. No, I will not. I will go to, it's just actually just inside the attributes right here. So all I have to do is to make sure that these attributes are set on my download button. So in this case, it's a link, it's an href to my image. So I'll just go in here and actually insert the image. And bear in mind, the last trailing slash sort of decides the resolution of your, in this case, image file. So in here I can go in and say full, and I'll get the full image in the biggest possible resolution. If you can't remember which sort of trailing slashes you're allowed to insert, you can go into your project and actually search for media. Should be somewhere in the button. There we go. And you can open any given media and actually see which sort of properties, not properties, but details we support as sort of the image size. Full, 4K, 2K, and so on. Just click here and you actually copy the image with the right URL to the particular resolution. But I can remember that full is the biggest possible resolution for my image. So I'll just go in here to my pretend download button right here and make sure that the last sort of element of my URL is full. And it is right now. So I can go along and actually look into some of the other attributes for my download button. Bear in mind, I'm not serving an SVG icon in my case here. I'm actually serving I think it's a JPEG image, or maybe even PNG. Let's say it's a JPEG. Right here, I will need to make sure that it's typed in correctly. And right here under the download attribute, I can go in and say the name of this file. So the default name for the file that my user is downloading. I can make it Nice image. There we go. Let's see if this works. Let's test it out and click my pretend button. Was it this one or this one? I can't recall. That wasn't the one. This one. Yeah, nice image. And I'm downloading an image to my machine. It says SVG. Something is wrong here. Let's go in here and see my button. It's called JPEG. Nice image. Is this the wrong image? Yes, it is the wrong image. That's why. Let's try and upload another one. So I'll go in here, add an image. There we go. I will try and upload the very same one. Or maybe a new one. This one looks cool. There we go. And I will click the image and I will copy its source attribute. I will delete the image once more. And this time around, I'll make sure to remember which button to click. This one. I will insert the image here. Make sure it's the full resolution. Let's test it out. Clicking the right button. Let's see. Nice image. That PNG. Oh, it should be a PNG file then. The button right here. PNG. Let's see again. Nice image.png. Let's see if I can download to my desktop. Save. Yeah, it works perfectly fine. Nice. Cool. On to the next feature, the one about copying stuff to your clipboard. Yeah, on our Nordcraft Press Kit website, we have these sort of Nordcraft colors with their super cool and not silly at all names. Fjord blue, pine green, ice blue, moss green, wolf black, and polar white. And these are all in a component I can see. Let's go into that component, resize it a bit. And yeah, I want to allow my users to copy these colors so they can use it in press materials and whatnot. In this particular case, I will click a button and I will sort of copy or have that very text inserted in my clipboard. Does that work? No, I think it has to be on the very page itself. It can't be in a component, right? No, I can't copy from here. It's actually in. No, maybe it's because. Yeah, it's because this is a component and the actual copy feature is set somewhere else, right? No. Copy hex. Really? Oh, there we go. Oh, I pressed the wrong button. There's a div container around this button. Okay, how silly. Anyway, there's a click event right here. Copy to clipboard is the activity or the action. Not activity, action you need to enter it here. So just search for copy to clipboard and you can use it right here and just insert whatever value you want to allow your user to copy. In this case, the hex color for this fjord blue. So yeah, that's basically all you need. I'm also triggering a small sort of toast that pops up when I click the trigger button. It bubbles up to the parent component. But yeah, that's all you need to do. Just make sure to enter this action called copy to clipboard and you can paste in whatever sort of data you want your users to copy. Cool, that's all I want to showcase for this particular press kit page. And bear in mind you can go to nordcraft.com and you can go in here, find the press kit section and you can download the entire press kit, 48 megabytes, and you'll get lovely icons, images, favor icons, and even an animation. No, not really. This is for copying into your project. Cool, but some nice pictures of Andreas and I, the co-founders of Nordcraft. And you can even see the lovely swag that we are using inside our company. Cool. Oh, and the stickers as well. Nice. Oh, and even wallpapers you can download. That's super neat. Oh, I'm grabbing this one, the jungle one. Super cool. Does it work? Oh, it's a big file. Yeah. Nice. Cool. That's about it. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.